Also referred to as the queen of fruits, mangosteen is the sweet and tangy fruit grown in various parts of Southeast Asia. Purple in color, the fruit has a white fleshy pulp segmented with seeds. While the scientific name of the fruit is Garcinia mangostana, it is an exotic tropical fruit with a slightly sweet and sour flavor. The fruit is sometimes referred to as the purple mangosteen because of the deep purple color its rind develops when ripe. In contrast, the juicy inner flesh is bright white. Though mangosteen is a relatively obscure fruit, it shouldn't be overlooked, as it may offer many health benefits due to its rich supply of nutrients, fiber, and unique antioxidants. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you the top proven health benefits of mangosteen and the type of people who should not take them. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing included in our list. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. More than 90% of our viewers are not subscribed to our channel according to YouTube analytics. Your subscription means a lot to us and encourages us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you're already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it will reach a wide range of audience. And without further ado, let's get into our list. Number 1. It is highly nutritious. Mangosteen is relatively low in calories, yet it provides many essential nutrients. A 1 cup or 196 gram serving of canned drained mangosteen offers calories 143, carbs 35 grams, fiber 3.5 grams, fat 1 gram, protein 1 gram, vitamin C 9% of the required daily intake or RDI, vitamin B9 or folate 15% of the required daily intake, vitamin B1 or thiamine 7%, vitamin B2 or riboflavin 6%, manganese 10%, copper 7%, and magnesium 6% of the reference daily intake. The vitamins and minerals in mangosteen are important for maintaining many bodily functions, including DNA production, muscle contraction, wound healing, immunity, and nerve signaling. Moreover, a single cup of 196 grams of this food provides almost 14% of the required daily intake of fiber, a nutrient often lacking in people's diet. Number 2. Source of antioxidants. Mangosteen is a rich source of antioxidants and vitamins. The special antioxidant found in abundance that give the fruit a superior edge is a class of naturally occurring polyphenol compounds known as xanthones. Mangosteen has two classes of xanthones, alpha mangosteen and gamma mangosteen. The mangosteen fruit is said to contain at least 20 known xanthones, majority of which are found in the fruit wall and pericarp of the fruit. Xanthones work to reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals. By damaging the free radicals, these antioxidants protect the body from various diseases ranging from the common cold and flu, cancer risk, and heart disorders. Number 3. It supports blood sugar control. Both test tube and animal studies show that xanthone compounds in mangosteen may help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. A recent 26-week study in obese women found that those receiving 400 mg of supplemental mangosteen extract daily had significant reductions in insulin resistance, a risk factor for diabetes, compared to the control group. The fruit is also a good source of fiber, a nutrient that helps stabilize blood sugar and improve diabetes control. The combination of xanthone and fiber contents in mangosteen may help balance blood sugar. However, more research is needed. Number 4. Promote weight loss. Yes, mangosteen can also aid your weight loss trial. The fruit is rather low in calories, 63 calories per 100 gram, and has zero saturated fat and is free of cholesterol, plus it's rich in dietary fiber. One study found that mice on a high-fat diet who received supplemental doses of mangosteen gained significantly less weight than mice in the control group. Similarly, in a small 8-week study, people who supplemented their diets with 3, 6, or 9 ounces or 90, 180, and 270 milliliter of mangosteen juice twice daily tended to have a lower body mass index than the control group. Number 5. Boosts immunity. The xanthos coupled with vitamin C found in abundance in mangosteen work wonders for an enhanced and improved immunity system. While xanthones do their a bit of fighting the free radicals, vitamin C promotes the production and functioning of leukocytes, or the white blood cells, which are majorly responsible for good immunity. The more the count, the more you are protected against infections. Number 6. It may have anti-cancer effects. Population studies show that diets rich in vegetables and fruits like mangosteen are associated with reduced incidence of cancer. Specific plant compounds in mangosteen, including xanthone, have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects which may help fight the development and the spread of cancerous cells. Multiple tested studies reveal that xanthones can inhibit cancer cell growth, including in breast, stomach, and lung tissue. Similarly, a small number of studies observed that this compound may slow the progression of colon and breast cancer in mice. Though these results are promising, insufficient research has been done in humans. Number 7. Helpful for menstrual problems. Mangosteen roots have been traditionally used in different parts of Indonesia for regulating menstrual cycle in women. Number 8. Regulates blood pressure and boosts heart health. Are you battling with hypertension? Here is some good news for you. The abundant quantities of potassium, copper, magnesium, and manganese containing in mangosteen can help regulate your blood pressure. Potassium especially weeds out the negative effects infused by excess intake of salt or sodium. It also promotes heart health by maintaining normal heart rate and keeping risk of coronary attacks at bay. Mangosteen also reduces the cholesterol levels in your body, thus further checking the blood pressure and the consequent heart ailments. Animal studies show that mangosteen extract effectively reduced heart disease risk factors like LDL or bad cholesterol and triglycerides while increasing HDL or good cholesterol. Number 9. Anti-inflammatory properties. Mangosteen has high anti-inflammatory properties. The inhibited release of histamine and prostaglandin helps in the anti-inflammation process. Inflammation can cause cold, flu, and increase pain in swellings. Number 10. Boosts skin care. Mangosteen's high antibacterial and antimicrobial properties and the star component xanthone can bring down the risk of many skin diseases to a great extent by repairing the damaged cells. And who can overlook the high component of vitamin C, which further boosts skin health? Mangosteen has also been used traditionally to treat acne. Its ability of scavenging free radicals coupled with the suppression of production of cytokines, which are a major contributor to acne, can prevent your skin from developing acne. Mangosteen can also reduce signs of aging. The signs of aging are also brought about by oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which is battled efficiently by the antioxidants of mangosteen. The antioxidant catechin especially works wonders for your skin by preventing wrinkles and signs of aging. Number 11. Solution to your tummy problems. Mangosteen is high on fiber, which makes it an effective aid to all your digestive problems. Just 1 cup provides about 14% of the required daily intake of fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health, and high-fiber diets help promote bowel regularity. It can help ward off constipation. Consuming the pericarp and peel of the delicious fruit has been found effective in providing relief from diarrhea and dysentery. The high fiber composition of the fruit also increases your prebiotics intake, which is good for your intestines. Number 12. It may have anti-inflammatory properties. The xanthones found in mangosteen may help play a role in reducing inflammation. Test tube and animal studies suggest that xanthones have an anti-inflammatory effect and may reduce your risk of inflammatory diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Mangosteen is also rich in fiber, which offers various benefits. For instance, some animal research indicates that a high-fiber diet may help reduce your body's inflammatory response. Though this data is encouraging, more research is needed to better understand how mangosteen affects inflammation and disease progression in humans. Well, now let's look at who should not take mangosteen. Very few adverse health effects have been reported for consuming mangosteen in its whole form, and is likely safe for most people. However, more concentrated forms like supplements, juices, or powders are not 100% risk-free. Early research suggests that xanthones found in herbal supplements may slow the process of blood clotting. Because mangosteen is a rich source of xanthones, it may be a good idea to avoid concentrated sources of it if you have a blood clotting condition or you are taking blood thinning medications. Research to determine whether mangosteen supplements are safe for pregnant or breastfeeding women is currently insufficient, so it's probably best to avoid it during these life stages as well. Always consult your doctor or other qualified health professionals before making significant changes to your diet or taking a new nutritional supplement. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, the top health benefits of mangosteen. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use daily in your life. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.